this video, we are going to show you how to make money online with no capital in 2023. Every day, more people want to know how to make money online for free. But the sad part is, most of the video doesn't fulfill their promises. You will find out how to go ahead and make your money without any investment in this video. One of the best ways to make money online with no capital is through freelance writing. If you have a passion for writing, you can offer your services to businesses and websites in need of content. You can start by creating a portfolio and reaching out to potential clients. With time and hard work, you can build a steady income stream. As a freelance writer, you can offer services such as editing, copywriting, blog management, social media content calendar, and lots more. You can charge as low as $0.1 per word, which means you earn $200 for every 2,000 words article you write. Online tutoring. Another option for making money online with no capital is online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can offer your services to students in need of help. You can find tutoring jobs on websites like tutor.com, sabitage.com, tutoria.com, and Scholarly. With online tutoring, you can earn money while helping others achieve their academic goals. If you are teaching subject matters required by high volume of individuals, for example, high school level mathematics, it is likely that you will experience increased demands for these tutoring services. You can typically expect anything between $10 to $100 per hour, depending on the service quality and reputation. Virtual assistant. A virtual assistant is a person who provides administrative and other support services to businesses and entrepreneurs from a remote location. You can offer your services to busy professionals who need help with tasks such as email management, social media management, scheduling appointments, and lots more. To get started, you can create a profile on websites like Upwork and Fiverr. Virtual assistants make around $19 per hour on average, according to Indeed.com. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a popular way to make money with no capital. You can promote products or services to your audience and earn commission for every sale that comes through your unique referral link. You can find affiliate products on websites like Amazon, ClickBank, and Share a Sale. The commission payout depends on the affiliate program and the product being promoted. Basic items on Amazon Marketplace won't pay out much, but promoting digital services like web hosting may earn you hundreds, even thousands of dollars. Affiliate marketing doesn't rely on blog promotions to generate revenue for a marketer. You can use your social media account like Instagram and Facebook to promote businesses and earn money. Finally, another option for making money online with no capital is taking online surveys. Taking surveys for money won't earn you a lot, but some online survey sites are more fruitful than others. Companies are always looking for consumer feedbacks and are willing to pay for it. Sign up on survey websites like Swagbox, Survey Junkie, and lots more to start earning money from your opinions. So there you have it, 5 ways to make money online with no capital in 2023. Remember, it takes time and effort to build a successful online income stream, but with hard work and dedication, you can achieve your financial goal from the comfort of your home. Don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.